Hello, this is the luckiest maths teacher in the world. Thank you so much for tuning into this video in which we will look at finding the area of composite shapes. So you will be faced with one of two scenarios here. You'll either have a shape like this, which is two shapes added together, or you'll have one shape cut out of another. So when you have a shape like this, we don't really have a name for this shape. We can't really find its area directly. What we can do is divide it into shapes we do know. So this can easily be divided into a trapezium plus a semicircle. We know how to find the area of a trapezium. I'll call it A of t. So that's just h perpendicular height over 2 times the sum of the two parallel sides. So if you put that on your calculator, you get 180. I'm just going to write u squared for units squared. Now we also know how to find the area of a semicircle. See, the area of a circle is pi times radius squared. Now here 10 is the diameter, so the radius is going to be half of that, which is equal to 5. So it will be pi times radius squared divided by 2. So if you put that on the calculator, it is about 39.27 units squared. So I used approximately equal to because it's not exactly equal to this. So the area of the whole shape is just these two added together. Now, just to be as accurate as possible, rather than write 39.27 plus 180 in your calculator, you should put answer. You should write A and S, so second and equals is usually how you get that up. It brings up the previous answer, and then you just add 180 to that. That will stop you making any sort of rounding errors that carry over to the next step. So either way, the answer is approximately 219.27 units squared. It's just the area of the trapezium plus the area of the semicircle. All right, let's now look at an example where we have one shape cut out of another. So we're going to find the shaded area here in red. So this is actually called a segment. Now we don't have a formula for the area of the segment. We've never learned one. We've never actually done a shape like this. But we can decompose this into shapes we do know. What we have here is a sector or a quarter circle. We absolutely know how to find the area of a quarter circle. So the area of a quarter circle, it's just pi times radius squared, but you divide by 4 because it's quarter of a circle. So you get about 0.7854, so on. Now we can find the area of the triangle. The red area is just sector minus triangle. Now, because this is a sector and the radius is the same wherever you start on the circumference, this will also be 1. So that means that the area of the triangle is just base times perpendicular height divided by 2. It's exactly 0.5. So this time we want to subtract. The red area is sector minus triangle. So the area left, again, what I should do is I should put this exact number into my calculator and then subtract 0.5 just so I don't introduce errors. It's not exactly 0.7854, that's rounded. So putting that in our calculator, we get an answer of around about 0.29. That's to the nearest whole number. So I use approximately equal to because it's not exactly 0.29. And once again, no units given. I just write u squared. That's really all there is to the area of a composite shape. Thank you so much for tuning in. This has been the luckiest maths teacher in the world. Have a great day.